Hello guys, got myself a new diesel heater. This time I was contacted by this fellow at HLN company. He wanted me to do a review of it, so I say yes, so here we are. Today we're going to unbox it and compare it to my standard Chinese diesel heater. This is a 5 kilowatt, this is a 2 kilowatt. This is cute. So if we open in the boxes, I know it's a little boring, but then I have separated all the accessories. This is for the non-branded 5 kilowatt heater. This is the 2 kilowatt heater from HLN, which I will try to remember, HLN. So if you take a look at the differences, this one came with a fuel tank. The 2 kilowatt from HLN came with this tubing, which is supposed to go into the diesel tank of your car. Air duct, big one, but short. This is, yeah, you can see a tiny one, but twice the length at least. And then this one has the T-split. But then you need to cut this one or get another one to extend it. This one does not have T-split. This one has the standard the vent, which of course then fits onto the hose. This one also has the vent, which is then smaller of course, and this one is supposed to go over here. You have to take it off to screw it to the cabin, cabinet. So you can, let's see if you can see this. Yeah, big difference in sizes. You have the plastic tubing for the fuel pump. You have the same for this one, but this one also came with a protective, what do you call this? Sleeve, so you can put the fuel inside, fuel line inside. Very nice indeed. You have a silencer or something for the fresh air. The same for the 2 kilowatt. They're both the same, identical. And also you have a fresh air intake. And on this one, you also have a fresh air intake, but this one has a big silencer. This one only rely on the one you can hopefully insert into this. Well, it's a little tight, but it will work. This one have this one in an extra together with this one. Is it possible to see inside here? No, let me have some light. Oh yeah, it's like an exhaust silencer. You have a lots of small holes, so the sound will go into the big tube and be silenced. Yeah, maybe it should be here. Fantastic. Then we have this metal plate which you are installing under your car. Not under your car, in the car, and this one as well. But you see, what difference? This is big. The holes and everything else is the same. It's an exact match for the lineup. Then we have a bag with a lot of screw. Tie wrap, is it called? Fuel filter. Yeah, a lot of clamps, hose clamps, and also a clamp for the fuel pump. And this one has the same. This is the accessories from the plastic bags. This is for the fuel pump. Self-tapping screws with a nylon washer. Very nice quality. The 4 nuts to attach the heater to the bottom plate. 4 hoses for the fuel filter and connection to the heater with the matching clamps, 4 heat rings, 4 of these for the heat tube, and 2 clamps for the exhaust and I guess air intake. These 2 I'm not sure what to use for, but they are clamps anyway. And also 2 clamps here, which has the same dimension as this one, so guessing it is for the exhaust or something. Some tie wrap, or what is this called? Yeah, I don't remember. This one I'm not sure about. It's a rubber piece. If you take a look at the fuel filters, this one can also be opened. This one, let's take it out of the plastic. Fuel filters. Yeah. Then you have the wiring. On this one, is it inside this protective sleeve, which is very nice and highly professional connectors, even with a dust boot on them. And this one has 2 separate wires, I guess. Even a big fuse. Look at this. This is nice. I guess this is for the fuel pump. Yes, it is. Separate wire for a fuel pump. This is from the battery. And this one has also a harness, but this is all in one. Everything is hanging together, and it does not have this nice protection sleeves. And a fuse. Not quite as sexy as this one, but still a fuse. Is it the same fuse? Let's have a look. Ooh, waterproofing. That is nice, eh? And this one is just standard open with no waterproofing. Oh, sorry, I didn't forget to see. This is a 15 ampere fuse. And this one was, look at this, nice. This is a 20 amp. This, very nice, very good craftsmanship. Fantastic. Then we have gone through everything. Of course, you have a manual, and this also has a manual. It's not much to it, but it says something about the installation and how to it and how to do it. And the same as this one. But this one has it's a better one because it has exploded views and everything. Very nice. It even has a diagram, which is very small, but it is showing how this is connected together. Fantastic. HLN. Okay, done to the main, the heater. Just need me, give me a second. Here we have them. Oh, sticky. Not sticky. Okay, anyway, this is how they look. This is the 5 kilowatt, which is really hard to make it stand for itself. This is the 2 kilowatt. And you have to have it. This is cute. Not any bigger than 2 hands. Fantastic, eh? It's the cutest heater I've ever seen. This is supposed to be a tiny bit smaller than the standard 2 kilowatt from the non-branded Chinese. So this HLN one, smaller and still the same 2 kilowatt. This one is made from aluminium. All 5 kilowatts and 8 kilowatts are made from aluminium. The 2 kilowatts are always made from plastic. There are also some Chinese heaters which are also made from plastic, so be aware of that if you're ordering a different brand than the HLN. The fuel pump. Yeah, they have the same connector, I think. Oh, maybe not. Okay, I'm not sure. Looks the same. This fuel pump can be open. It has a filtering system inside, according to the website. This one has not. On this one, it has some small letters saying 12V22/18. I think it's something with 22 milliliters or something. I'm not sure. This one says 22 only, and it's from 1 kilowatt to 5 kilowatt. And it's made in July 2025. So I guess 22 seems to be the same. Then it's the programming that decided how much fuel you get from them both. This one, the HLN one, has a very nice, I should be closer maybe, but very nice display with a rotary knob and a lot of functions. You can read the manual. I can maybe try to link it upside, try to link it up. This one has a standard Chinese diesel display. This one is coming in a lot of different versions. I have got the one with the red remote, which works about 10 meters away from the car. This one came with a new and upgraded Wi-Fi. So you put it, where is my phone? Over there. You are controlling this one by Wi-Fi and an app called Smart Life. I have only downloaded it. It's not much to see, but yeah. I will do that later when I connect it in the car. So this remote came with a very big sticker you can use on the backside from 3M. It has a cutout, which you can't see here of course, for the wire. So you can put the wire through the sticker, so the sticker will fit perfectly on the backside there. It also has a plastic piece, which you can drill a hole and lock it somehow, and then click it to the backside with some hooks. So, two mounting options. This one did not come with anything, so you have to put some tape or make something yourself. The HLN one has a lot of manuals, which is great, of course. And if I manage to open them, I can show you. This is the one page and this is the other page. And it seems to be in color as well. I have not tested it yet, so it should be interesting to see. And then again, more manuals. This is explaining something about the app and the Wi-Fi. And the last one, yeah, I can show you this as well. Advanced setting, it says. Yeah. This manual can be downloaded from the site and as a PDF, so we don't have to have all this in 3 different size pages. Yes, that was it. Shall we try to wire it and see how it looks on the bench? Forgot to show you the silencer, guys. This is also very important because this is what I call a high-end silencer. Look at this. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is what I call a silencer. Big, long, I guess about 1 meter. Yeah. Stiff, but still very bendable. Amazingly nice. Simply fantastic. If you look inside this one, we can see that this fan has some metal clips added to it. This is for balancing. And you can see there is no friction, so this is a brushless motor. fantastic. All the electronics are sealed inside the box. I cannot manage to take this one out of the plastic, so yeah, this is the best I could do. There are some sensors inside here. As usual, you have the glow plug, yeah, and a lot of very nice connector, but like I told you, I can't open this one, so it's very hard for me to show you. But they are inside here, and they look very high-end. Okay, first startup. Let's see what's happening. Oh, that is nice. This is how the display looks like when you are starting it up for the first time. It's in manual mode. And to start it in manual mode, you will press and hold this button for 3 seconds. And then you get the heater signal, and the heater is on. You can't adjust the temperature in manual mode, only the heating down here, maximum, minimum. Yeah. You get a low warning here because of my voltage, my power supply is not capable of delivering more than 18 amps. And you see it got a problem with the 18 amps. So, okay, it's very important to make the wiring with thick wires. Let's put it in auto. In auto, it should start when the temperature down here is higher than this one. Let's see what's happening. And here we go. And then it starts to pull a lot of current again. 3 amps, 4 amps, 5 amps, 6 amps, 18 amps, and you get this low voltage symbol. And it will turn off. I don't have a bigger power supply, so yeah. If you put it below the temperature, it will stop again. It will now try to start again. And there we go, it's off. And you have another function which is called ventilate. This one just starts the fan. It says on, but the heater is not on. So now you can start the fan. And here we go. Hopefully you can hear the sound. And you can start it. It is in. You can start it. It has 4 levels. It takes 5 to 10 seconds to make it react between the levels. Oh, now it's picking up. And it's an amazing wind down there. You cannot see this, of course, but it's a fantastic wind. And if you set it down to low, it will take approximately 5 to 10 seconds again. And there it goes down. Fantastic. This is fantastic. And to exit mode, you just put it into next in manual. This menu has only 3 menus. Manual, auto, and ventilate. Let's put it to manual. Then it will exit and it will stop. You also have a menu down here. If you press and hold this one, you get the time settings, alarm clock, timer, and settings, which is the backlight, how long it wants you to stay on. Let's see how it's the maximum. 30 minutes is the maximum. You seldom need more than a few minutes. Let's put it to 5. And then when you press it, you will get the display level of darkness. Now it is 0, 1 and up to 10. This one goes back. Let's see if there are more menus here. Timer, clock, timer, you can set it. I will come back to that later. Fast. This is the diesel pump, if you want to prime the heater. Oh, it's times out if you don't touch anything in a few seconds. Fast, yes, and then you have the Wi-Fi. You can connect this one to a Wi-Fi in your house if you don't have a Wi-Fi system in your car. I will come back to that as well. One more time, let's see. You can go both ways. So if it's always start on time, you can of course go this way as well. Yep. Amazingly nice. If you press both of these switches at the same time, it will come into the advanced setting menu. There we go. Then I have to let go one first, then we have it. Then at the bottom we see it says 00. That is the first menu, and that is the temperature adjustment. You can calibrate it by adjusting it here. It's go all the way up to 31 and all the way down to 11. This one is supposed to be the same, I think, as there is in the room. So 24 in my room. 25, 24. This is the temperature setting for the maximum of the, let me show you. If I put this one to, let's say, 20, 30, okay. And we go out of the menus, and this is the one you are adjusting. So now I won't get over 30. Yep, 30 is the maximum. Let's do one more. And the same thing about menu number 2. This is the lower limit. It says 0.5, so if I put that one to, let's say, 10, and get out of it, then we can't adjust this one lower than 10. 10 is the maximum. So, back again. $30 for the first one, and 10, let's put that one down to 5. And let's see what's happening now. Now I can go down to 5, I think. Yes, 5 now is the lower limit. And the upper is still 30. Yep. In menu number 3, this is the difference in set point. This is the lowest set point in first menu number 3, and if that one was set to 5 degrees as a cut-in temperature, if it goes below 5 degrees, it will start the heater. I don't know why this is, but this is one you can add some degrees to it. So if you put it to 0.5, then it will be 0 degrees. You have 0.5 before, and then again 0.5, so it's 0 before it's cut in. If you set it to 0.1, it will be 0.4 degrees before it starts again. And the same with number 4. But this is the other way. If you have set it to 25 degrees and the temperature is 26, it will shut down. So if you set it to +5, then it will go to 30 degrees before it shuts down. So I think I set it to 0.1, only 1 degrees difference from the set temperature. Hope you understand that. And 5. That is the fan speed. That is also a little difficult to explain, but I will put it in writing so you can read it. 6. Force start. Automatically forces the system to turn on when the temperature drops below a fixed temperature. That is if you are in constant temperature mode. So if it gets below whatever you put this one to, this goes to 25, all the way down to 5. So if it's go down below 5, it will start. Number 7, force shutdown. This is the upper limit. So when the temperature reaches 28, or whatever you set it to, up to 40, then it will turn off the heater. Number 8, voltage setting. When the voltage is lower than this one, then it will turn off. And you can go down all the way down to, I think it was 7 volt. That's not healthy for a 12 volt battery, so 11.8, I think it's the lowest one I will like it to go. And you can set it to, 12 is the highest. Then it will shut down when the battery voltage is 11.8 volt. Menu number 9, voltage deadband. I'm not sure what this is. Must be something to do with the fine tuning or something, the voltage. Number 10, that's a good one. You have a cap over here, which has a plastic hood. This is not in use when you bought the heater, because this is for external temperature sensor. There is a temperature sensor built in, and if you set it to 00, that one will be active. If you set it to 01, then this external one will be active. So we leave that for 00. Menu 11, that is also the fan speed in ventilation mode. When you put it to 0, then it is not adjustable, it says. And if you put it to 01, you can adjust it. So let's keep that one. Menu number 12 is factory reset. 00, it will do nothing. 01, and press in the middle here, you will restore all settings back to factory. Yeah, and then just press this one, and you're back to normal. Fantastic. Let's go through the Wi-Fi setting. The Wi-Fi is really interesting. Okay, let's test the Wi-Fi systems. Let me see. Let's start the phone. You need an app which is called Smart Life. Press that one, and it says Add Device. Let's click Add Device. Sometimes it will find it, sometimes it will not. If it's not finding it, like now, then you have to press the Wi-Fi button. Like this, and then you press Reset. And then it should show up on the phone here. There we go. Then you just tap it, and you connect it to your Wi-Fi network. It's already connected. I just reset it, and then it will try to find it. And here we go. It is now searching for it, connecting it, being added, as it says here. When it's added, you will get a Wi-Fi symbol up here. Done. There we go, Wi-Fi symbol. When you have the Wi-Fi symbol, it will also synchronize the clock and the date and the day and everything, which is really nice. Let's see, this one is in the way here. No, it's not. Where are you? Okay, one more time. No, sorry, wrong app. This one. Why are you not showing on the screen? Okay, close all apps. One more time. Oh, here we go. Let's move this one over to the way a little. Connect it, and here it is. This is beautiful. When it is in manual mode, you will get the manual on-off symbol, like same on this one. And you can adjust the temperature. You have to start it first. If you on the other hand is putting it on auto, then this symbol will disappear, and it's now controlled only by the temperature. So if you push the temperature up to 26, it should start. No, you need more than 2 degrees, sorry. It's 2 degrees, that is the limit. There we have it. It's starting, and it's starting. To turn it off, you just need to push the temperature. Let me see, why not? Why? you get this low voltage sign, which is destroying something for me here, but as I don't have more amperage. Try to start again. Ah, come on. This was working so, there we go. This was working so nice the other day. So now it will be stopping because of the lower temperature. Off. And it's gone here as well. And there it stops. So then, this temperature is usually very smooth. But I guess it's locking when you are trying to start the heater. Yeah, it's locking. It will not respond. Yeah, I let it close again because of the temperature, the voltage error. Oh, if we put it on this one, let's force it. You see, low again. Now it's going to stop, and then you can adjust the temperature again. You also have some nice settings. This is the voltage setting for when it should cut out. You can adjust it to down to 8 volt, I think. 8 volt is the lowest. Yeah. Cloud timing. Strange word, but this is, you can add up to 6 timers. This is very nice. This is the schedule menu. Here you can press add, and you get up a lot of options. I want this one to start at, I want to go to work at 7, so I will start this one at 6, let's say 6:30. There we have it, 6:30. And I don't want it to do it once, I want it to do it on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday when I'm working. And then it changed to weekday. Then I press save. You can go through everything. Gear is a strange word, but this is the fan speed. You can adjust the fan speed what you like here. Let's put it on 3. Mode, manual, auto, or ventilate. Let's put it on manual for this one. Or let's just try this auto. Let's see what's happening. Set temperature level 3, okay. No, I want to do it back in manual. Set temperature. I want it to be 23 degrees. And rapid switch, I'm not sure about it, but it says on off. So let's put it for on. That was default. And then I press save. Then we got the first timer. We can add another one. And let's say that is on Saturday only. Then let's say Saturday. And I want this to start on level 2. And I want to sleep in, so I don't want to stand up before 9 o'clock. So 10 o'clock. No, 9 o'clock. It will start. Temperature 23 degrees. Done. Manual mode. And rapid switch. Save. So now we have 2. This is for a weekday. This is for Saturday. And you can turn them on off. Fantastic clever, eh? Real nice. There is a pen which is for editing something. I don't know. Device information. Okay. Third-party control. You can do it with Google Assistant. That is nice. You have the notification settings. I'm not sure what this notification is, but yeah. And that's it really. This is the voltage for the power supply or the battery. And here we are, and this one again. Yeah, that's it for the app. The menu, which is called gear, this is the speed of the phone. You can see it down here, it's level 1. And if I put the level 2, it will be 2 displays over here, 2 dots. And it will start to speed up. And the same if I press on 3, you have 3 dots over here. And gear, and gear number 4, which is full speed. And back to level 1. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds. And here we go. To turn off the ventilator, you have to press manual or auto. And you will see it go back to manual down here. If you press auto, it will start the heater if it's 2 degrees over the temperature. Now it's set to 25. If I push this one to 27, it should start. And there we go, it starts up. Now this one is locked. You cannot adjust it until it has started up. But I want to stop it, so let's put it to manual. And there we go. Here we can watch the amperage when the diesel heater is starting. And you can see what's happening here. And maxing it at 18 amps. But I now see that we have the possibility to do 20. Yes. Let's see when it starts to restart at 20 amps. Starting. And no error messages. It's no firing up. But it has no diesel, so it will get an error message anyway, but let's stop it. Off. Okay, so then we'll learn. If it delivers 20 amps, then it's okay. 18, it's a little too little. Yes, you understand. You need a 20 amp power supply to make this work if you're using it in your shed or something. This is the amperage is drawn when everything is shut off. Even with the display off. Let's press the display on. Let's see. (22 milliamps). That is very tiny current. I have set the display to time out after 1 minute, so let's see what's happening after 1 minute. The display went out and it went straight down to 19 milliamps. 18 milliamps. 17, 18. Yeah, looks like that is the lowest. And putting that on. And we are back on 22 milliamps, 23. Okay guys, there you have it. This is the first introduction test of my new diesel heater. I will have to install this in my car to show you how it's working properly. It will take some time, but during the winter hopefully I will make it. I will change my old diesel heater to this one because this one is mucho excellent. Really looking forward to it. So hopefully I will see you again in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.